Hello my crafty friends and happy holidays. Welcome to the Christmas Crafts 2018 YouTube Hop hosted by Sandy Nagel from Decorate Your Life and yours truly, Robyn Pitts with their Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Before I begin, I do want to apologize for my scratchy voice, and I also may cough and sneeze here and there. I've been quite sick for the past 2 weeks, but I am on the mend. So if you could just bear with me, I would greatly appreciate it. We have a fantastic hop plan for you. I'd like to just take a moment to thank my partner in crime, Miss Sandy Nagel. She is one of the hardest working women I know out there, and I just want to say I appreciate your friendship. We have an incredible lineup for you. Each of the guest designers will be showing their wonderful holiday projects and providing tons of fun inspiration, and everyone will be giving away a special prize on their channel. To qualify, you have to watch, comment, and subscribe to everyone in the channel lineup. And you must be 18 years or older to participate. I will also be giving away a special prize on my channel. However, you have to wait until the end of this video to find out all the details. This is my 3D Christmas tree explosion box. This is quite sizable. At the tallest point, at the star, it measures about 13 inches, and at the base, it measures just about 7 inches. I did use a digital file to create this. As you can see, the color schemes that I used are pinks, browns, mauves, and I also blinged it out with lots of pearls and gemstones. Let me just turn this around so you could see it. I do have a full tutorial for how I made this, so please check the description box for that video link. Now let's get into the good stuff. For this project, I used 2 paper pads. One is by Recollections called Sugar Blush. This is somewhat reminiscent of the Santa Baby collection that came out this summer by Frank Garcia. The second pad that I used is Holiday White Embossed, and this is by DCWV. This project is a perfect home decor piece, and it could sit on your mantle or a coffee table. I want to lift the base of this up so that you can see all of the details on the bottom, and this goes all the way around. So now that you've seen the outside of it, let me push this back so you can get a good view of the inside. When I take the top off, ta-da! We have a full explosion box. This is like a little mini pink winter wonderland. I had so much fun creating this. As you can tell, it has several different layers. Let me just start on this bottom panel here. This bottom panel is lined with pink cardstock, and it has glittered snowflakes, small, large, and then small. I've included pink rhinestones, and there are 6 panels that go around. And then for this piece here, we have the pink glitter paper, and on top of that I've included a white embossed paper, which I think looks so pretty. And then I continued the iridescent gemstones and pearls here. Again, this goes all the way around. In the center, we have alternating snowmen, snow ladies, and we have these Christmas trees. I'm going to lift this up so you can see this a little better. Each of the Christmas trees are embellished with white pearls. And I love the way these pieces just fold up easily once the tree is in the upright position, and then they just pop up when the box is open. I really wanted to do something that was fun and whimsical, and I wanted to use pink. In the center, I've created this little tree box. This is actually a luminary. I don't know if you can see these little holes here. This has vellum on the inside, and I've lined this Christmas tree with pearls at all of the seams. When I take this top off, it reveals a little space where you can include a gift or a battery-operated candle. In this case, I've included pink crinkled paper and then this fun snowflake ornament with a little bell. I think that is so cute. Let me give you a closer look of this little Christmas tree. I love this paper because it's got so much dimension and texture, and this incorporates all of the all of the paper in the paper collection. Here's a close-up of these beads. And yes, this did take quite a bit of time for those of you who are asking, but I think it is so worth it. And then you have a better view of the circles and the stars. And this top just goes back on like so. Let me turn this around once again. I just think this is a beautiful tablescape. Let me show you the top of the tree that holds everything together. I just want to give you a close-up look. You can see how this is completely bedazzled. This concludes my review of my Christmas tree explosion box. Now let me tell you how you can win a prize on my channel. As I mentioned previously, you must watch, comment, and subscribe to all of the channels in the YouTube hop. We do verify to make sure that everyone has successfully subscribed. For my channel, you must be 18 years or older. My prize will be open to U.S. and international residents. However, if you are an international member, you will be receiving a $25 PayPal credit in lieu of a physical product. My prize is this gnome for Christmas. As many of you know, gnomes are very, very popular this year. This is by LDRS Creative, also known as Polka Doodles. I have to say I was very inspired by my colleagues, Rosa Gomez and Sandra Bois. They both work with Polka Doodles and they create the most adorable little projects. So I decided to buy 2 of these, one for myself, and I thought this would be a fun giveaway. This set this set has 105 pieces. It includes die cuts, it has stamps, and it has a paper collection. So this will be my prize. In order to win this, you must leave a comment, and in your comment, you must say gnome for the holidays. Once again, you must subscribe, leave a comment, and in your comment, you must use the word gnome for the holidays. This concludes my review for the Christmas Crafts 2018 YouTube Hop. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas. If you like this video, please leave me a comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that little bell so that you could see all of my future videos. Next in the YouTube Hop is Creative Crafticality. Don't forget to watch. Thank you so much and happy holidays.